Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this video, I'll show you how to use the INT function in Excel to turn numbers with decimals into whole numbers or integers. This is really useful when you don't just want numbers to look like integers, but you actually want Excel to treat them as integers. Let's get started. On the left, I have a list of original numbers with decimals. On the right, I want those same numbers converted into whole numbers. Now, many people try this by just changing the number formatting. For example, select the cells with your numbers, go to the Home tab, in the Number group, click the buttons to increase or decrease decimal places. If I reduce the decimal places to 0, it looks like I have whole numbers. But here's the catch. That's only formatting. If I click on one of the cells and look at the formula bar, you'll see the truth. The number isn't really 135, it's actually 135.31 and so on. That matters because if you add or multiply these numbers, the decimals will still be included in the calculation. So formatting only gives you the illusion of whole numbers. It doesn't actually change the data. If you want true integers, use the INT function. Here's how. Click on the cell where you want the result. I'll use D3. Type the formula. Equals int, left bracket, b3, right bracket. That's doxed int b3. What the int function does is always round a number down to the nearest whole number. Press enter and Excel gives me 135. Step 3. Copy the formula down. Now, to apply this to the rest of the list, click on D3, double-click the little square in the bottom right corner. Excel copies the formula all the way down. Now column D contains true integers. You can double-check in the formula bar. These are whole numbers, not numbers with hidden decimals. And that's it. The INT function is a simple but powerful way to strip decimals and make sure Excel only works with integers. Just remember, formatting only changes appearance. INT actually changes the data. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. If you did enjoy it, please like, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss future Excel tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.